Hello, I hope everybody is doing well. So my name is Justin, and today I'm going to show you how to use the virtual online tutor, virtual writing tutor, which is online. I've been a student in architectural technology for 2 years now at Montmorency College, and obviously it's a class, it's a college in French. But one of the universities I would like to go to after I finish my studies at the college would be Carleton University, which is in Ontario. And for those of you who may not know, Ontario speaks English mostly. Some people speak French over there, but the university would be in English. So what I would need to do is, most of my work would be in English. And because my first language, the language I speak at home, is French, well, I'm not exactly the best. So today I'm going to show you how to use the virtual tutor. So I've made a sentence over here. Let's try and see if what the tutor can detect my errors and suggest better phrasing. So I already know I made a lot of mistakes and I did it on purpose, but it's just to show you how it works. So what you're going to want to do is type in virtual writing, writing tutor.com. As you can see over here, mine is already open on my tab. It's better to connect yourself. It's free, so just create an account. And now I'm going to paste my text over here. What it can do, it can check for word count. So I have 16 words in one sentence. It knows I have only one sentence because I've made only one comma, one dot at the end. I can check for grammar, target structures, etc., etc. Obviously, it's better to check for structure if you have a larger text. Just for my sentence, I'm just going to check for the grammar. If I have any mistakes. So yes, I have many mistakes. What it told me here, you wrote, let's try and see, blah, 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 blah. Let's, it's in red, so that means that's where the mistake is, the error is. So what I can do, did you mean let's? Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So I can go and change it. I'm going to put the apostrophe over here. And then I can check it again. And the error is not here anymore. Now the error is at try and see. What can it suggest? Try and. Let's try and is common in color speak, but try to is recommended for writing. So I'm going to change it for try to. So I think you can understand where I'm going with that. It's pretty easy. I'm not going to do my entire text. I'm going to show you the other things you have. So there are many writing tools here. So what I did, I created a glossary, which is an architectural glossary. It's very intuitive, very easy to work out. And if ever you don't really know how you want, I want to create a glossary about something. If you ever don't really know how it works, you can always click help. And there's a guy that's gonna show you how it works even more precisely than I can. I also created hypertext narratives. So basically, that's what the virtual tutor is, and it's very helpful. And I hope I can help you with that. I help you with that.